In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add portfolio in Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly how to showcase your best work so potential clients can see what you do and trust your skills. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and click through to the official Fiverr website. Once you're on Fiverr, click the Fiverr logo at the top left to land on the main homepage if you aren't there already. From here, head to your profile by opening the user menu in the top right and selecting View Profile. This is where your public seller information lives. On your profile page, look for the Portfolio of Past Projects section. This is the dedicated area for visual case studies of your work. Click Start Portfolio to enable it, then choose Create New Project to begin adding your first showcase. Give your project a clear name that reflects the service, like logo and brand kit, or website redesign. Next, select the appropriate industry so Fiverr can categorize your work accurately. Set the project duration by choosing the option that matches the real timeline, 1 to 7 days, 7 to 30 days, or 1 to 3 months. Be honest here. Buyers appreciate transparency. Enter the project cost to indicate what this kind of work typically costs. Then select when the project started by choosing the month and year. Consistent, truthful details help clients set expectations. Write a concise project description that explains the goal, your approach, the tools or techniques you used, and the results. Think of this as a mini case study that highlights your process and the value you delivered. Now it's time to add visuals. In the Attachments area, click Choose Files, select a relevant image or mock-up from your device, and click Open to upload. Use clean, high-quality images that represent the final outcome. Avoid sharing client-sensitive information and make sure you have permission to display the work. Click Continue to move to the final touches. Here you can add final details like a project category to help with discoverability. You can also link a related gig if you have one. This is optional, but it helps viewers jump straight from your portfolio to hiring you for that exact service. When everything looks good, click Publish Project. Your portfolio item will go live on your profile, giving potential buyers a polished, credible view of your capabilities. You can repeat these steps to add more projects, and you can always come back to edit details or update images as your work evolves. That's it. Your Fiverr portfolio is set up and ready to impress.